Welcome to Logos Eurythmie. In this video we show you step by step how to perform the exercise I think speech. When these gestures, which we will show now, are made one after another, they have an harmonizing and eye-strengthening effect on the soul. In difficult times they can be experienced as helpful. With these gestures one also finds one's way to eurythmy particularly well. The 6 positions of the human figure, arranged in different geometric figures, come from the work the Occulta Philosophia by Cornelius Agrippa von Nettesheim. Put your feet side by side and stretch out your arms so that they are horizontal. With your right foot, place your feet slightly apart and hold your arms so that they are about the same height as your larynx. Spread your feet out a little further by putting your left foot to one side. Hold your arms up so that you have your hands so that when you join them with a line, it goes under your heart. Spread your feet with the right foot even further out, very wide. Hold the arms so that you have your hands far above your head, but there should be a line exactly from the hands to the feet. Put your feet back in the 3rd position, and now make your arms so that the hands form a line just above the head. Keep your legs together and the arms vertical, all the way up. Once one has mastered these individual positions, attention can be paid to the relationship between the arm and leg movements, whether the arms and legs are moving parallel or opposite to each other. 1 to 2 parallel, 2 to 3 opposite, 3 to 4 parallel, 4 to 5 parallel, 5 to 6 opposite. Then check whether the figure in question is in a circle, a square, or a pentagram. The figure is standing in the square. With head, hands and feet we touch the sides. The figure is in a circle. With hands and feet we touch the circle. The figure is in a pentagram and in a circle. We are standing in the 5-star. From the right foot to the head. Left foot, right hand, right foot, and touch the circle with our head, hands and feet. The figure is in the square. We touch the corners with our hands and feet. The figure is in the circle. We touch the circle with our hands and feet. The figure is in the square. We touch the horizontal with our hands and feet. Now jump from the one position to the other quickly. It was not until 12 years later that Rudolf Steiner has made a statement about this exercise. I think speech. I speak. I have spoken. I seek myself in the spirit. I feel myself in me. I am on the way to the spirit, to me.